Thanks for watching ERi-TV, dear viewers. Welcome to our news broadcast. Here are the headlines. Workshop on Tigray language oral poetry convenes. Encouragement to outstanding college students. Colombia pauses buying Israeli weapons. President calls Gaza war genocide. At least 45 killed in Bangladesh after a fire breaks out at shopping mall. In our domestic news, a workshop focusing on the oral poetry of the Tigray language convened today, 1st March, at the Asmara Palace Hotel. The event was attended by ministers, regional administrators, senior government and PFDJ officials, as well as guests from various parts of the country. Ambassador Zamir Taghla, the Commissioner of Culture and Sports, delivered the keynote address. He highlighted that the workshop is part of an ongoing effort to study, document and showcase the rich cultural heritage of Eritrea's ethnic groups, underscoring the unity in diversity of the Eritrean people. Ambassador Zamir further disclosed that the workshop aims to finalize a comprehensive 600-page research book depicting the lifestyle, nationalism, heroism, ethnics, and other works of ethic in the Tigray ethnic community. Mr. Solomon Zahaye, a noted author and cultural researcher, acknowledged that the work is a continuation of the project initiated by the Cultural Affairs at the Ministry of Education in 1995, albeit with limited capacity to collect and conduct research on traditional folklores. He commended the author of the book for his hard work. The workshop is scheduled to continue through March 3. In a commendable initiative to honor academic excellence, the Mai Naf'i College of Science awarded 444 students for their outstanding performance in the first semester of the 2023-2024 academic year. Among the awardees, 37.1% were females, all of whom achieved a GPA of 3.25 and higher. The majority of the recipients, 391 in total, are first-year students, with the remaining 53 being in their third and fourth years of study. Professor Gabrai Asgadom, the Dean of the College, highlighted the objective of the award to recognize the hard work and achievements of these students and to inspire their peers to strive for similar success. Furthermore, Professor Gabrai noted a 4% increase in the number of awardees compared to 2021 to 2022 academic year, signaling a positive trend in academic achievement within the college. The students, on their part, attributed their success to diligent effort and the support received from parents and lecturers. They expressed a strong commitment to maintaining and even surpassing their current academic achievements in pursuit of even higher results. In a significant environmental and agricultural initiative, the residents of Inchinaq administrative area in the Hagas subzone have embarked on an extensive water and soil conservation project. The primary aim is to stabilize the environment and enrich the soil, ultimately enhancing agricultural productivity. Mr. Hamid Mahmoud, the area's administrator, reported that since July 2022, the community has been actively engaged in constructing terraces and water catchment systems, alongside other soil and water conservation efforts. These activities have already yielded promising results. The initiative has seen widespread participation with daily contributions from 100 residents. This includes members of the popular forces, agricultural experts, and local administrators, all coming together in a unified effort. The community members themselves have expressed a keen understanding of the benefits such conservation measures bring to their agricultural practices. They have pledged to continue these efforts sustainably, recognizing their critical role in ensuring a more productive and resilient agricultural landscape. Inchinaq, situated 12 kilometers northeast of Hagas town, is home to approximately 2,500 people. It stands as one of the 14 administrative areas within the subzone, setting a commendable example of community-led environmental stewardship. That was our domestic news. Please stay tuned now for the international news right after the short break. Colombia's President Gustavo Petro announced yesterday his government is suspending purchases of weapons from Israel after Palestinians say Israeli troops fired at people seeking food in Gaza, marking an escalation of tensions between both countries over the Israel-Hamas war. Describing the deaths as genocide, Petro said he blamed Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu for the violence around the aid convoy. Health officials in Gaza say at least 112 people were killed, bringing the war's death toll to more than 30,000 people. Israel said many of the dead were trampled in a chaotic stampede for the food. Petro's statement came months after Israel suspended security efforts to Colombia in a diplomatic spat over online messages by Colombia's president comparing Israel's siege of Gaza to the actions of Nazi Germany. Colombia has been a key U.S. ally for years and one of Israel's closest partners in Latin America. Colombia uses Israeli-built warplanes and machine guns to fight drug cartels and rebel groups, and both countries signed a free trade agreement in 2020. A devastating fire erupted in a high-rise building in the Bangladeshi capital of Dhaka late Thursday, killing at least 45 people, the country's health ministry said today. The fire broke out at night in Green Cozy Cottage shopping mall and lasted for 2 hours when the firefighting teams finally extinguished the blaze. Around 75 people, including dozens in an unconscious state, were pulled out and were rushed to several hospitals. Staff collecting evidence at the scene said the immediate cause of the fire was unknown. An eyewitness revealed the safety hazard in the 7-story structure, stating there is only one stairway in the densely populated building, with restaurants on every floor. Please stay tuned now for a recap of tonight's headlines. Workshop on Tigray language oral poetry convenes. Encouragement to outstanding college students. Colombia pauses buying Israeli weapons, and President calls Gaza war genocide. At least 45 killed in Bangladesh after fire breaks out at shopping mall. And that was our news for tonight, dear viewers. It is good night from us.